So many times after we've supplied a quotation or when people inquire with us, they want to know how long it takes to make their balustrade or Juliet balcony. And so we figured the best way to do that, or to explain to you how we do that, is this video. In this video, I'll try and give you as much information as possible on the different options of our different products and how long they take to make. In terms of manufacture time, let's look at the two ranges of products separately. We'll look at Juliet balconies and we'll look at balustrades separately. I'll start with Juliet balconies. This is a product we've been making and supplying for many years now, and we've learnt the sizes that are most suitable for most openings, and we've created a list of what we call fast track sizes. We call them fast track because from the moment they're ordered, we manufacture them and have them ready within 5 working days, or a week, if you'd like. And so that's for the Juliet balconies. Okay, and with Juliet balconies, you can also order from us a custom size, a very specific width that you'd like, either because you need to meet exact center fixings or for whatever other reason you might want a custom sized Juliet. Custom sized Juliet, they take 30 days, and I'm talking about 30 calendar days rather than working days, so that's around a month. And that's from the point where you sign off your drawings. Now, regards balustrading, there are a couple of options here in terms of the time it takes us to manufacture the goods. There's actually more than a couple, so I'll try and explain it in the simplest form. Generally, most balustrades that are straight, obviously not curved, they get made within 6 weeks or 45 calendar days. So we get the drawings and the design signed off, and from that point it takes 45 days to make the balustrade ready for supply. Now, we also offer a fast track option. What the fast track option does is it reduces the lead time from 45 days down to 20 days, but it doesn't apply in all conditions. If there are custom types of glasses, such as tinted glass, frosted glass, or shaped glasses, then these cannot be reduced to the 20-day supply time because of the time that it actually takes to make the glass. Okay, now you're probably asking yourself, why does it take you 20 days or 45 days to make a balustrade? Our products are first and foremost quality. The material is taken, it's inspected, it's protected, it's taken down to the saw, it's cut, it's punched, it's fabricated, it's made to measure, it's quality inspected, it's properly packed. That process takes time. It's not just, can't be compared to taking a prefabricated post from the Far East and putting it into a box and sending it your way. These products are the highest quality balustrades that you can buy, and it takes some time to make them. And those 20 days or 45 days, in the long run, they're not going to make the difference. What's going to make the difference is the quality that you'll receive. You're probably asking yourself, do the different order packages have an effect on the lead time or the manufacture time of the product? And if you order the basic package, which is the package designed online by yourself, if that shortens the production time. So in a general sense, it makes the actual manufacture time from once we have an agreed design is no different for whichever package is ordered. The difference that can be time saving, obviously, is if we don't need to go through the technical process and you do the design online on our 3D module, then you'll be saving the time that it takes to do that coordination. And if you opt for the standard package or the premium package, then that design period, whether it includes a survey in the premium package or it doesn't include a survey in the standard package, that is just additional time which gets added prior to the time of it being approved for design. So all our lead times They start from the moment that we have an agreed design, which is signed off. So that's basically the summary of the subject of how long it takes us to make the actual order. What you need to take into account are that there are some exclusions if your balustrading is curved or it's got very special components to it which are not standard components. That might take a little longer. And if you've ordered a premium package and your site is not ready for survey, then that might take a bit longer until the site is ready. So hopefully that's answered the question of how long it takes us to make the goods, and the important thing is that they're well worth waiting for.